Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Apple crumble or fruit crumble on the menu today. Absolutely wonderful. We're going to concentrate on just making the crumble topping here. So you need 2 parts of flour to 1 part of sugar. We're using brown. And you're going to need like 1 packet or 400 grams of butter. The spices you can muck around with, I'm using equal parts of ground ginger, cinnamon and nutmeg. As you can see at the back there, I've got a can, I'm cheating, of an apple pie or crumble filling. But like I say, we're just concentrating on how to make the crumble topping. So easy. Everyone in the family is definitely going to love this one. Simply, in a mixing bowl, you add your 2:1 flour, sugar, add your spices, which of course you can adjust as you wish. In goes some butter, nice soft butter. And then run that through your fingers to create a nice crumble topping. Now, as you can see, that amount of butter left us a little bit dry. So we need to add more butter, about double the amount, like I say, 1 packet in total. Again, we're going to run that through our fingers. And what you're looking for is you could actually grab it. You can sort of grab it, squeeze it, and it will hold together just slightly. That's where you want it to be. Okay, now for a filling. So a metal tray, ceramic tray or a glass tray, up to you. Put your filling in. And then you want to just layer over, just sprinkle over like 1 centimeter or 2 of that lovely crumble mixture. That's an apple one there. We're going to do another one here. This is some more tin fruit, as you can see, of pineapple and cherries. You can do whatever you want. If you're putting fresh fruit in, like just say bananas, you might want to add a little bit of juice. Okay, they're going to go into your oven. Get your oven as hot as you can, and that needs to go for about 12 to 15 minutes, and then out it comes. It's absolutely delicious. Serve with a little bit of cream, custard or ice cream. It's wonderful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Crumble love.